Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. Today we're going to look at how to add a website to your Facebook profile. So first of all, you want to navigate to your Facebook profile. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on the About section. So from there, you're going to scroll down again, and on the left-hand side, you'll see a tab that says Links. So I'm going to click on there, and you can add up to 10 links to your profile. So if you have a business and you want to promote it a little bit, you could add like website, blogs, portfolios, and you can add up to 10 links. So I'm going to click on here, and for today's tutorial, I'm going to add my writing portfolio link here. So I'm going to copy and paste the link in, and description, Katie Lamb writes. And then you can choose who sees that link as well. So you can choose like public, so anyone sees it, friends, friends of friends, or only you. So just for today, I'm going to say only me. Then when you're done, you click done and save. And that's it. You can add other links if you want to. Hope that was helpful. Please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.